Hello. This tutorial will review the basic structure of your Blackboard course. On the left-hand side here, you will see the course navigation menu. It defaults to announcements, and so that is the first tab that you see here, and as you can see, it reads announcements. This is where you will type a welcoming message to students. Following the Announcements tab, you will see the syllabus. When you click on that, you will have the opportunity to put your syllabus link on here, or you can actually type out your syllabus. It is whatever you prefer, but you should have a PDF downloadable syllabus for your students to access. The reason that the PDF is important is because students that use a screen reader will be able to use the screen reader to read what you have on the syllabus. Following the Syllabus tab, you have the Online Classroom. In the Online Classroom, you have Module 0 and a mid-semester survey. Notice that on the mid-semester survey, how's it going? It says item is hidden from students. So you are going to, if you want to use that, you will need to make that available to your students. In Module 0, Getting Started, one thing that you are going to want to note are the items that are hidden from students. If you want to use those particular items in Module 0, you will need to, as I mentioned earlier, make them available for students. Module 0 is a way for your students to get familiar with your course. They have an introduction, how to navigate through your course, another opportunity to review your syllabus, course requirements, student and instructor expectations, understanding some etiquette in the course, community conversations for them to dialogue and get to know each other, and a Module 0 and syllabus quiz. Faculty are able to adapt any of the language in each of these items as needed. Again, one final reminder, make sure that you make the item available for students if you want them to use it, or keep it hidden until it is the appropriate time for students to review it. Following your online classroom is the Discussions tab. This is where students can come together to discuss any topics that you have posed. The My Grades section is for students to review their grades. The My Instructor tab is where you can put information about yourself and contact information. Notice that it says item is hidden from students. You will need to make that available. Underneath it, you can attach any information that you have about your virtual office hours or just regular office hours. This is a one-click for your email, calendar if you choose to use that, and your media gallery. In your media gallery, you will see this is where videos and playlists can be curated using Kaltura. Students can have one-click access to course videos, including cloud-recorded Zoom sessions. In your resource section, students will be able to get information on learning resources and technical resources that will help them with their online courses. On a final note, be sure to keep as much as possible the names of these tabs the same. This will make copying your courses a lot simpler because when courses transfer over to another semester, the tabs are matched by name. And so if you change them, they will still import, but they're going to be at the bottom of the course menu. Lastly, if you notice here it says OL Interface v2.5. If you've had prior versions, please delete the prior version. Thank you for joining us today for this tutorial.